out on a bit of a nature trail today, aren't we?
Yes, I was in hospital yesterday, so I had to have a CT scan.
Yes.
But yeah, apart from a bit of pain, just trying to flex me muscles a little bit.
Because they're going to see if there's anything wrong with your legs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, good walk, a sensible walk, you know, not rush, just take it steady.
Yeah.
Good exercise. It's a beautiful day today, and we're near the woods where we live, so let's go and have a look.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So that's where we just walked up the hill there, and we're on a trail here in one of the paths. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Ruth.
No, it's gorgeous today, isn't it?
It is, yes.
So
Very nice.
this is a little woods where we live, and it's beautiful today. Bit breezy though, isn't it?
Yes.
Because we were going to bring the drones, and then we decided not to because it is a bit breezy today. But as you can see, it is beautiful around there. So Pill's right behind us, all the way down there. This is just gone past Watch House Hill, and we're in the woods. We're going to go and see if we can see any squirrels. And as you can see, all the trees are starting to, all their leaves are starting to come out. Everything's starting to bud in now, isn't it?
Yeah.
They are starting to bud in
Summer's
now.
coming.
Yeah, it's spring, but summer is coming. So, did you want to walk this way? I think it goes round in a circle, I'm not sure. But yeah, it's lovely. So we're going for a nice walk today, aren't we, love?
Yes. It beats the hospital.
Yeah. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. See all the trees starting to come out now. That's going to look lovely when all the trees are out. Lovely. It's good. Catch Tony up. It is a bit muddy along here still though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all those logs. Oh, this is a nice tree, hun.
Yeah.
If anyone knows what sort of tree this is, do put in the comments below. I'm not very good with names, but my God, that's huge. Tony, if you stand by it, just show them how big that trunk is. You see, Tony is quite tall. Look at that. Look how big that trunk is. It's massive. It is a big tree. I don't quite know what sort of tree it is.
Climber.
Yeah, you could probably climb that tree. There's lots of little
Got branches in the right places.
nooks and crannies. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, it's a big old tree. Be nice to see what that comes out like in the summer. As I say, it's a lovely day today. We haven't seen no squirrels yet though. Have we, Tony?
No.
But let's carry on with our walk. There's a bird's nest right out there, look. See that? Looks very vulnerable, doesn't it, when they're like that.
Yes.
Wow, that's quite a way up. So we've just come out of the woods a bit. We're still on a path. So it's lovely, isn't it?
It is.
And there's a playing field just over there, isn't there?
Yeah.
So And you can see where we've come from. Just down there. So yeah. Phew, it's getting warm. Yeah, we're just up by Ham Green now. This is one of old derelict buildings. As you can see, it's all boarded up. It's such a shame, isn't it? And you see all these buildings left. We've got new buildings over there, look. Look, this is just left, boarded up and forgotten about. It's so sad. Yeah, big old building. Let's go and find Tony. As you can see, all the blossoms are starting to come out on the trees. Isn't it beautiful when it's like that? Really lovely. Sun's gone in a bit now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely. So there's an orchard just over there, isn't there?
Yeah.
There's the name of an orchard on the gate down there somewhere, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. I know dogs can't go through there, but it's lovely up here, as you can see. It's beautiful. So yeah, we'll carry on our little walk. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Ruth.
I haven't seen any squirrels yet. I can hear. Can you hear those birds singing? I can't see them. If anyone knows what that bird is, do let us know in the comments below. It's quite a loud call, isn't it? That's if you can hear it. I don't know if this camera picks it up or not. Can you hear that? Oh. Is that the bird there? It's going to fly away by the time I get near it, I'm sure. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful here? We've got magpies up there. I was trying to get near them earlier, wasn't it? So I got near them, they flew away. So we're in the orchard here. And we're on our way back now. And there's Tony all the way down there by the gate. No dogs are allowed in here, but we're allowed to pass through. It's lovely and quiet in here. And all the trees are starting to bud now. So they won't take long to come out. As you can see, we're starting to bud, look. Lovely trees. And I've noticed we've got molehills as well. Look, there's loads of them. Just loads of molehills everywhere. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Beautiful day. There's Tony over there. Let's go and catch him up. So there you go. So no dogs are allowed in there. That's the orchard. That's the gate I just come out of. So we're on our way back now, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So here we go. Okay.
Yep.
Right, so we're on our way home now, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So hope you enjoyed that. It was just a little walk today, wasn't it?
It was, yes.
And we will see you all in a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. So we're just stopping for a quick rest before going home.
Yes.
And we decided to wrap up here, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed that little walk. Didn't get to see any squirrels.
No. They shy away from us.
Yeah, they do. But no, that was lovely. It's a lovely little walk and you're feeling alright, aren't you now? So
yeah.
If you did like our vid, don't forget to
like and subscribe, and thank you again for the new subscribers.
Yeah.
Much
thank
appreciated.
You very much. And share as well.
Yes.
And thank you very much. You get all our upcoming videos, you know it's free, and we hope you enjoy them. And we'll see you soon. We'll see you all in the next one.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.